Today we'll be teaching you how to make autogele. Today's tutorial will take you through the base. Autogele is divided into base and crown. What I have here is the measurements, the cut you need for the base. On the right part, I have already attached my smooth plaster is on the right part, and on the left, in between my cutout, I have the rough part. Now we'll go straight to fabricating our plates. On the base, you can decide to fabricate like 4 to 5 plates. It depends on how you like it, but for the course of the study, thread that's of the same color of the fabric you are using. Then at the edge where I attached my plaster on the right side, I will tack down my pleats at the edge. So this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to hide thread to do my tacking. Now this is what it's going to look like. Yeah, this is what it's going to look like. Now let me place it on the mannequin to see if yes, now you can see everything well detailed. Our flat pleats is ready, which is our base. So subscribe to my channel to watch out for more of these tutorials. In our next class, we'll be taking you through how to do the crown to complete this tutorial. See, this is beautiful. So subscribe to our channel, follow us on our IG page at lolumi1 or at Autogelebylolumi to see more of our styles. Thanks for watching. We'll be having a training in March, so if you're interested in learning this, you see me do it one-on-one, you're highly welcome. Just go to our page, you see more of the adverts. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your love. Bye.